Emotional intelligence refers to a person's ability to understand and manage their emotions as well as recognize the feelings of others. Research shows it is a useful tool for navigating work life, relationships, education, and mental and physical well being. Some researchers suggest that emotional intelligence can be learned and strengthened, while others claim it's an inborn characteristic. Now, components of emotional intelligence. Psychologist Daniel Goleman created one of the most popular model of emotional intelligence. It has 5 key components and they are self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy and social skills. Self-awareness. A key part of emotional intelligence is a level of understanding and self-awareness of a person's own emotions. An individual with high emotional intelligence is not only aware of what emotions they are feeling but can put words to their feelings. They can also understand the consequences of their emotions and how they may change and shift over time. Self regulation. Once a person has achieved the first component, they can move on to self regulation. An individual with a good awareness of their own emotions can better manage the emotions and behaviors that come along with them. This may involve noticing a difficult emotion and slowing down or resisting any impulsive action that may follow. Motivation. Motivation is the process that stimulates and directs someone toward achieving their goals. Research suggests that it is a key part of emotional intelligence. Motivation allows a person to remain true to their goals and persevere even during challenging times. A person with a low motivation may be discouraged easily by any obstacle and give up. A person with high motivation realizes that the reward of their personal goals is worth the time and effort spent getting there even when they face obstacles. Empathy. Empathy refers to how turned to the emotions of others a person is. Someone with high emotional intelligence can accurately identify which emotions another person is feeling and can tell the difference between genuine and false emotions. A person may do this by noticing certain facial expressions or changes in another person's voice or body language. Social skills. A person with higher level of emotional intelligence may be better in interacting appropriately with others than a person with low levels of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence can help a person build relationships, communicate with others, and maintain friendships. Some key signs and examples of emotional intelligence include an ability to identify and describe what people are feeling, an awareness of personal strength and limitations, self confidence and self acceptance, the ability to let go of mistakes, an ability to accept and embrace change, a strong sense of curiosity, particularly about other people, feeling of empathy and concern for others, showing sensitivity to the feelings of other people, accepting responsibility for mistakes, the ability to manage emotions in difficult situations. Now, why emotional intelligence is so much important? Emotional intelligence can help a person work with supervise other people. It can also help them to cope with and be more resilient to stress that they might face in life. Research has shown that emotional intelligence can be important in many aspects of person's life. Emotional intelligence can improve a person's work-related outcomes including their teamwork and management skills and their overall job satisfaction, psychological health and well-being, physical health including stomatic complaints and HbA1c levels and social relationships. Also, emotional intelligence training lead to improvements in stress management, general mood, self-expression, emotional understanding and emotional management. Another research shows that students with higher levels of emotional intelligence are generally more happy, sociable and self-confident, as well as better at handling stress. A recent study have also shown that emotional intelligence can help students develop social relationships in school which can positively impact their academic performance. So how emotional intelligence is measured? We can measure emotional intelligence by the ability test, that is Myers-Solovek-Rossow emotional intelligence test, and also by self-assessment questionnaire by emotional and social competence inventory. In the next couple of videos, we will discuss about it. Now try this.